In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it, hit consent, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those wallpaper options however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!